Right, this is Ashurst, Kent. We are en route for Ardingly, Sussex, for the first AutoJumble, well for me, of the year, after lockdown. Cyclists everywhere. Right, let's go.
I need your clothes, your boots, and your motorcycle.
A few moments later.
Oh, where'd you come from then? Cambridge. Oh, that's a good one. That's a good one, yeah.
That's an unusual Jawa 250.
Yeah, it's based on a Honda, I think, isn't it? Looks like. It's styled on the Honda RS 250, isn't it?
It's a two-stroke, a four-stroke.
Yeah, 4-stroke. Yeah, it's not mine, it's an old boy came in, 86.
I had a 250 CZ, that was two-stroke.
Yeah. There's one in there for sale, actually. I bet it's still there.
I was laying on a tank, going down the hill, and 65, and that was it.
The 350 Twigs, a two-stroke.
Oh, yeah.
They used to come maroon.
Yeah.
Styled like a speed twig with a bathtub and a headlight cowling. And I tell you what, you go to Turkey on a holiday, you used to see dozens of them bloody things.
You can get new ones still.
Camel skin, fucking camel skin seat, real camel seats, and all dust and patina, but fucking hell, loads of them. You don't see them so much now. They must be dying up. They're flogging them new ones.
Yeah.
With Chinese new stuff, they just chuck them away. But you used to love it. You used to love it.
The new 350 Jawa's got a starter motor.
Really?
Yeah, disc brakes. Oh,
That's no fun.
still the old-fashioned 350 two-stroke engine.
Yeah.
I think they've now brought out a 350 over at Cam.
Car.
Obviously Chinese engine.
Yeah, of course. Well, the thing is, the old Chinese, you knock them, but they can make anything to any standard. If they want to make a good thing, they can make a good thing.
They can.
Yeah.
Well, if you think
course,
you must be covered in Chinese stuff.
well, you know, you used to laugh at the old Japs when they first come out.
Yeah, of course we did.
Yeah, it's the same thing with the Chinese.
No, their MG cars are quite well made.
Yeah, yeah.
Well, that's some screen that. Wow, that is good. How old's that? A-Reg, crikey. Beautiful nick. No. Seems to be the same old Ardingly. Oh, that barn over there you can't go in. But the end bit you can. Right. I think I need to make my way to the helmet store. Wow, an old Kawasaki 900. Cool. Like a retro version of that. Let's go through here, see what's going. Wow, this is empty. Hello, Gordon. All right. Cool, it's empty, isn't it?
Are you recording?
Yeah, I've bought from Kent down to here.
Right. You're still recording that?
Yeah, it's about time that went off. This is Gordon May, the famous author of Royal Enfield books. Right, this is the Westerham Flyer signing out.